Hey guys, Brian Mahoney here from psychologicaled.com. Today I'd like to do another session of hypnosis for psychological ED. If you haven't checked out my other hypnosis video first, you might want to. There's good information there about how to think about doing a hypnosis session like this and what to expect. Plus there's a pretty long session where I blend a number of different hypnosis styles. What we're going to do here today is really different because different approaches work best for different types of people. The other ED hypnosis video I did was long and indirect. This one is going to be short and very direct. Here, I'm taking a classic, more simple, more academic approach. If you were ever involved in our university research study of the effectiveness of hypnosis for psychological ED, they'd probably take an approach something like this. If you want to skip straight to the hypnosis part, you can go here, but I would suggest you do the little preparation part first. This session is largely based on the work of Dr. David Spiegel. He's the Associate Chair of Psychiatry at Stanford University, and you might know him from his Reverie hypnosis app. He's the acknowledged authority on hypnosis in the academic world, and as far as I know, he's done more scientific research into hypnosis than anyone else out there. He's done lots of good podcast interviews over the past few years, too. This kind of approach isn't necessarily any better or worse than the blend of approaches I used in my previous video. It's just different. Again, different people respond to different things. For some guys, the session in my first hypnosis video will be a better fit. For others, this will be the one that really does it for them. For maximum benefit, repetition is great. I suggest listening to it once or twice a day for the next 10 days or so to really get a sense of how it can make a difference for you. So let's get ready. The best way to listen to this is different from the way you listen to a podcast or an audiobook. Rather than analyzing the information or actively thinking about it, you'll get the best results if you relax. Listen to this the way you'd listen to soft music. Just kind of passively listening, taking it in, following along, and absorbing it. Maybe even enjoying it. You've probably been stressing a bit about the problem. You could think of this as a chance to just kind of relax, let go, enjoy. During the session, I'm going to ask you to do a couple things you may want to practice first. 1. Without moving your head, look up with just your eyes, like you're trying to look up between your eyebrows or out through the top of your head. 2. While your eyes are still looking up, slowly close your eyes and take a deep breath in at the same time. 3. All at the same time, let your breath out, let your eyes relax and stay closed, and start imagining your body floating. Floating in space, floating in water, just floating. So it'll look like this. Then I'm going to ask you to let your forearm float upwards. Do this with your elbow resting on your chair or your bed so that just the forearm floats up, not the whole arm. Like this, not like this. Got it? If not, just scrub back and make sure you're good. Otherwise, let's get started. Okay. Turn off the chainsaw, shut down the bulldozer, park the car. To get the most out of this and to be 100% safe, you want to be in a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down, where you can close your eyes and relax for a while without any kind of distractions or disturbance. So you can hit the pause button here if you want to take a minute to get yourself situated, and then I'll do a quick 10-second countdown and we can begin. Hypnosis for Mental Erectile Dysfunction Countdown. Please take a moment to get comfortable. Make any little adjustments you want to make to get completely comfortable with your arms resting on the arms of the chair or by your sides. Take a moment or two to do 2 or 3 long, slow exhalations. As you do that, I'll begin to guide you into an initial experience of self-hypnosis that will teach you how to relax and enjoy sex. 1. Do one thing. Look up now. 2. Do 2 things. Slowly close your eyes and take a deep breath in. 3. Do 3 things. Let your breath out, let your eyes relax and keep them closed, and let your body float. Imagine a feeling of floating. There'll be something pleasant and welcome about this sensation of floating. As you concentrate on this floating, let one hand or the other float up into the air like a balloon. Just let that float up into the air. Now, Imagine floating in a bath, a lake, a hot tub, or just floating in space and preparing your mind and body to support you through your upcoming sexual experience. Here are 3 tips I want to share with you. First one, don't stress about being stressed. It's okay to have some extra nerves in your body for sex. Second, let your body take care of itself. It knows how to get erections just fine. Lock in that perspective. Third, immerse yourself in the sensations, the sights, the smells, the sounds, and the tastes of sex. Immerse yourself in the connection and the energy, not the outcome. Now, picture what you look forward to doing, relaxing, connecting with your partner physically, immersing yourself in the excitement and pleasure of sharing sexual energy with your partner. Picture yourself doing it and enjoying it. Notice how your body and mind are reacting as you let your sexual energy flow. Picture yourself doing it and enjoying it. Erections are important for sexual experiences, but too much emphasis on yourself distracts from focusing on your partner and everything that's arousing and stimulating about them and the experience. Let your body take care of itself. Let your erection take care of itself. Lock in that perspective. For balance, let your attention rest on your partner and the experience you're creating together. The sights, the sounds, the tastes, the smells, the sensations, like sharing a meal and helping them enjoy it. Meanwhile, keep your body floating, safe and comfortable, staying in sync with your body, connected through it to your partner in a way that's arousing and enjoyable. Feel yourself flowing through the experience in tune with your body and your partner. Picture yourself doing it and enjoying it, relaxing, connecting with your partner physically, letting your body take care of itself while immersing yourself in the excitement and the pleasure of sharing sexual energy. When you're ready, you'll bring yourself out of the state of self-hypnosis by counting backwards from 3 to 1. On 3, you'll get ready. On 2, with your eyelids closed, you'll roll up your eyes. And on 1, you'll let your eyes open slowly as you roll your eyes back down. Then you'll let your hand gently float back down, and you'll make a fist, and you'll open it, and that will be the end of the session. If you're ready, follow along. If not, feel free to continue to enjoy this state of self-hypnosis, skip the following, and bring yourself out later. 3, get ready. 2, with eyelids closed, roll up your eyes. 1, let your eyes open slowly, roll your eyes back down, and let your hand gently float down. Make a fist, open it, and that's the end of the exercise. You can come out of this state of self-hypnosis feeling relaxed and refreshed. You're now more ready to enjoy sex with energy and more self-assurance. Remember, you have the ability to move past stress and enjoy sex. And you can return to this exercise whenever you want to prepare for a sexual experience. The power to feel confident and enjoy sex lies within you, and self-hypnosis is your guide on this journey. So that's it, guys. Short, clear, straightforward. I hope it helps you really lock in this perspective so you can relax, get better erections, and have great sex, especially if you can practice it once or twice a day for the next 10 days or so. I'm Brian Mahoney with psychologicaled.com. I've been helping guys resolve psychological ED issues for over 20 years in my hypnotherapy and coaching practice. If you ever want to talk about working together, just give me a call or drop me a note. Either way, I hope this psychological ED hypnosis session takes you one more step in the direction of having a really healthy, happy, fun sex life. Thanks for watching. And I really hope you've enjoyed this Hypnosis for Mental Erectile Dysfunction session.